we prepare this phone with to safeguard the edges. Sometime if it is not positioned correctly, it can sort of like laser can damage the edge. And now we're going to start laser. This is iPhone 13. Everything is set. Here it is. You can see how quickly the laser is working, and you can see even a smoke coming out from the laser. We're very particular about protecting the sensitive areas of the phone. Behind is the camera, the flashlight, the speaker, the sensors. All of them has to be protected. That's how it is done. So iPhone 13 back glass laser. Thank you so much for watching future gadgets. Please subscribe to our channel on YouTube and press the bell icon so you get all our updated videos. Thank you.